Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today we're going to be reviewing this 5x10 straight deck leaf cage utility trailer. Here in the front, we have our standard jack and safety chains, our coupler, and our trailer light connector. As we can see, this trailer has 4-foot tall expanded mesh sides. This deck is made of pressure treated wood. This trailer has one 3,500-pound axle on a 15-inch rim and tire. Behind the driver's side, we have a license plate light and bracket. Coming to the back, we have an expanded metal ramp. Securing this ramp, we have 2 latches. This trailer also has LED brake lights. We also have 4 D-rings to tie down. This trailer also has a spare tire mount for easy access. There's also reflective tape around. And if y'all have any more questions, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you and have a great day.